We have an amazing trend strategy for trading with IQ option using the XProfit version 2 indicator. We achieved good results in our recent trades. Our indicator specializes in pinpointing reversal points, and our trading method focuses on a rapid 5-second candle time period. We will be trading for a 1-minute duration. Risk management is a must when trading. We will wait for the signal to pop up in our Metatrader IV. It requires some patience to get the best signal from the platform. We received an alert, AUD, USD, a sell alert signal from our XProfit indicator. Our XProfit identifies a trend reversal at this point, giving us good trading momentum to trade lower. Let's trade lower on it. We also have the IQ option script attached to our IQ option chart, but we will not follow its signal. We will be enhancing that indicator for better trading performance. Just focus on the XProfit indicator. Another sell alert for GBP/USD. This is a good trading spot for our 5-second candle bar. Let's reverse it and trade lower. Make sure to have the 5-second candle time frame with our candle bar reaches its maximum resistance level. You can add moving averages or Bollinger Bands for more filtering methods. Good trading result for our 2 previous trades. We got GBP/USD a sell alert. Since it is still on its upper resistance level, we will trade going lower and hope that the trend will go down. We also got Euro JPY a sell alert. See the rest of the video and follow us to get latest strategies trading with IQ option and other trading brokers. Download the XProfit version 2 now at the description below.